Modern teaching techniques are already a fact. In schools, teachers are now utilizing videos, e-stories, and even games to help explain theoretical concepts. That's because the focus nowadays is on enabling students to learn and not just study. And this is our aim. In A Book of Mine, we explored the perfect ingredients to promote active learning techniques and came up with our unique mix. To help children learn, we need to provide products that are engaging and that connect with them. And this is what we did. We created personalized e-stories that convey different concepts and messages. Our ebooks are personal. Children will find their own name inside. They are vibrant, holding very attractive illustrations. They are musical. Most stories are written in rhythmic pattern. They are educational, holding diverse learning concepts. They are engaging. Children will be the heroes of their own story. All this will be accompanied by a wide range of educational games and fun exercises that promote different learning concepts. In A Book of Mine, we believe that children who read will grow up to lead. And when reading is combined with active learning, then children who learn will have so much to earn. Wait for us. abookofmine.com is coming soon.